So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on our GBPUSD for the day. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, we did analysis yesterday, and I told you guys that we are now in a downtrend move on our GBPUSD, right? I told you guys that we are dropping, due to the fact that there is a multiple rejection at this zone. But when you go to your 4 hour time frame, right, you will see that our market is now dropping, right? So we should be anticipating for more sell. That market did this was on the 13th, right? Market gave us this double top, right? And on the 14th, when we did our prediction, I told you guys clearly that markets will give a pullback and then another drop. That was the prediction we did right yesterday. I told you guys you should expect a pullback, then another drop. So guess what market has done? Market has now given us this pullback, which is what we were anticipating for. Now our next movement on GBPUSD would be another drop that should form a new lower low. So currently we are about to form a low, so we should expect GBPUSD to continue that movement since it is able to form a new lower low, thereby taking out this low. As you can see, this is a multiple double multiple rejection level, which is our double top. So we should expect market to drop more. So that is to tell you that now we are in a downtrend move. As you can clearly see on our 4 hour time frame, GBPUSD, you can clearly see that this trend is a downtrend move. The market was able to push up, and guess what? We had this multiple rejection, which is our double top, and now market has dropped. So will be a pullback, and now we should be expecting market to give us another drop to form a low. So guys, a bearish move is what we should be expecting on our GBPUSD for the day. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.